Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nigerian custard powder. This easy method allows you to create a delicious homemade version in just a few simple steps. You'll need about 2 cups of cornstarch, 1 cup of powdered milk, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget your favorite flavoring, perhaps a teaspoon of vanilla extract or banana essence to give it that authentic taste. Let's get started by preparing our dry ingredients. Now, let's focus on blending our dry components perfectly. First, take your 2 cups of cornstarch and sift it into a large, clean bowl. This step is crucial for preventing any lumps in your final custard powder. Next, add your 1 cup of powdered milk and half a cup of granulated sugar to the cornstarch. Use a whisk to thoroughly combine these ingredients, ensuring an even distribution. Mix for about 2 to 3 minutes until everything looks uniform. To give your custard powder its signature taste and appearance, it's time to add the flavoring and optional color. Carefully pour 1 teaspoon of your preferred essence, like vanilla or banana, into the dry mixture. If you desire a classic yellow custard, add just a tiny pinch of yellow food coloring. Now, gently whisk all the ingredients together once more. Continue mixing for about 1 minute, ensuring the flavor and color are fully incorporated throughout the powder. Once your Nigerian custard powder is perfectly mixed, proper storage is key to maintaining its freshness. Transfer the entire batch into a clean, airtight container. A glass jar or a plastic container with a tight-fitting lid works wonderfully. Store it in a cool, dry pantry, away from any direct sunlight or humidity. When you're ready to enjoy, simply use about 2 tablespoons of your homemade powder for every 1 cup of liquid to prepare a delicious, creamy custard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.